I found out about Ibogaine treatment via the miracle of the internet, and decided to give it one last shot. You know, has kind of been my last house on the block, and I got here almost 10 days ago, stumbling and drunk, very low expectations. At the very least, I thought I was just going to try 2 new experiences, but 9 days later, it's I am a new person. I don't know exactly how, but I feel different. I feel good, right? And I haven't felt that way in a while.
What if you could interrupt the cycle of alcohol addiction in hours without weeks of agonizing withdrawal? Thousands are traveling to Mexico for a medically supervised neurological reset using Ibogaine. Mexico is a legal and transparent leader in Ibogaine-assisted detoxification under health authority guidelines. Ibogaine targets serotonin, dopamine, and opioid receptors simultaneously to help repair dopamine neurons damaged by alcohol. Clinics in Mexico staff ACLS-certified professionals, cardiologists, and psychologists who specialize in psychedelic-assisted therapies. One popular option is a 7-day medical Ibogaine detox that begins with thorough medical screening and includes a 12 to 24-hour flood dose. A 10-day comprehensive recovery expands detox with extra days for physical stabilization, psychological processing, and multidisciplinary care. Post-detox integration and aftercare include coaching and virtual therapy for 3 to 6 months to apply clinical insights to daily life. Mexico offers massive savings compared to long-term private rehab in the United States or Canada without sacrificing medical oversight. Typical pricing ranges from $5,500 to $7,500 for a 7-day detox and $8,000 to $10,500 for a 10-day program. Packages generally include comprehensive medical screening, the Ibogaine protocol 24/7 nursing care, luxury accommodation meals, airport transfers, and psychological integration sessions. Top vetted clinics in Mexico perform strict contraindication screening to exclude major heart abnormalities and liver cirrhosis for maximum safety. Featured clinics include New Path Ibogaine, known for multidisciplinary care Ibogaine Cancun, for a restorative tropical environment, and Clínica Nuevo Ser for holistic continuous aftercare. Addiction treatment in Mexico provides the start, but you provide the finish. PlacidWay is here to connect you with vetted, world-class clinics, coordinate your consultations, and help you take that first vital step toward long-term sobriety. Don't fight this alone. Contact PlacidWay today to schedule your free consultation with a medical expert.